100 grams.
So today is day 4. I'm in Guanzhou. Just gonna do a little touring because I don't really have much to do except wait. Wait for my inevitable visa decision that will happen on the 7th. So I heard there's a massive aquarium in this mall. It's called the Grandview Mall. So I'm gonna go check that out. Might be a bust. It might be just a bunch of sad dolphins dying a slow death, but let's go check it out. Oh, I think I spotted the Grandview Aquarium over there. Let's go check it out. 2nd floor. I'm on the 2nd floor. I don't know, I'll find it. So this thing is a pretty crazy story. Basically rising from a village in the early 70s and 80s and becoming like this massive metropolis. Now, I'll show you the skyline later, but like this city is actually bananas. And it's a lot more vibrant and feels a little more cultural than Beijing in a way that I'll explain later. I mean, Beijing's a beautiful city. Don't get me wrong, but just the variety of culture here and the almost warm tropical climate. This mall is like a giant fun park, man. It's crazy. It's got like a million restaurants, tons of arcades, a zoo, a water park, an aquarium. Yeah, it's pretty fucking cool. These are real. They look like a video display, but they're actually real. You're at a mall, bro. Not scared of you. Okay, leave me alone. So I'm at a place called Ray's Steak Club. Because, you know what, I wanted to eat a steak since I got to China and I really haven't eaten one. I ate one with Andrew months ago, but it wasn't very good. So because it's boy time, we're gonna try to do one again. And yeah, no shame. Sometimes you just gotta go to a restaurant by yourself and eat a big ass steak. Just randomly came across this place in the mall. But eating a big ass steak was on my bucket list, so here we are. Race something. Probably says race. Globally sourced meat. Goulet. Look at this piece. Oh yeah. Ooh, that was good. So I'm leaving the mall because fuck malls. I'm actually going back to the hotel because I bought something in Beijing that I wasn't allowed to use there. But I just checked the rules while I was eating for Guangzhou, and it looks like I might be able to get away with using this thing here and not get in too much trouble. So I think I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna head back to the hotel and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about in a second. So just got back to my hotel room. I just realized that I didn't even go to the aquarium. My whole point was to go to the aquarium and check out the dolphins that have pretty much given up their will to live. I'm actually glad I didn't see that. But I got to go to that weird little museum and I ate a big ass steak. So life was pretty good. So the reason I came back to the hotel is because I have purchased something for Thailand that I was going to use extensively there. Ooh. What could this be? Does anybody know what DJI is? That, my friends, is a drone. So, I was at the mall and I asked the guy, he was selling DJI drones, and I asked him, are you allowed to fly the drones in Guangzhou? And he said, yes, you are. As long as they're under 250 grams, you don't have to register them, which is excellent because I bought... It's called the Dji Mini. And the reason why this one's so special is because it is under 250 grams. It's very, very small. Let's check it out. It's just a baby little drone. So we've got the actual drone here. Just look at the comparison. I've got big hands, but still, look at the size of the drone. It's very, very small. It's got the little gimbal camera there, which shoots in 1080, I think, which is good enough for me. You know what? This is actually recorded on 1080, so what you're seeing now with the GoPro. So I think that's good enough quality. I don't really need 4K. I'm not too worried about that. So I made it downtown. I'm actually in Huaheng Square. So I'm just gonna do a walk, but this is one of the main areas. It's like the Times Square of Guangzhou, and they have all the big buildings around here. And it looks really nice at night, so hopefully I can stick around and check out the sights when it gets later. I'll be back. So I'm in Huahua Square. Look looking for the Canco Tower, I think it's called. I probably butchered that. But this square is absolutely massive. And it's very busy tonight because of Chinese New Year, hence my mask. Keeping it safe, yo. But man, it's really impressive. This is a really cool place. Strangely enough, this tower, which is massive, isn't even one of the top 5 tallest buildings in Guangzhou. So that just tells you how tall these buildings are down here. Kind of crazy.